Oxnard, California. After experiencing an accident at these two cross streets, a man sets up two cameras to support his claim that this intersection is dangerous. This busy intersection has a railroad crossing, warning lights, bells, crossing gates, and a traffic light. He claims these elements are not only confusing, but also dangerous. So far, the man has yet to find any evidence supporting his claim, but that's about to change. At the railroad crossing, bells ring, warning of an oncoming locomotive. The crossing gates descend, but the confused truck driver suddenly begins rolling forward. The semi stops before crossing the intersection. The driver seems unaware that the truck rests directly on top of the railroad track. The train engineer desperately blasts the air horn, hoping the driver will respond. The trailer is completely destroyed, and the wreckage is strewn for hundreds of yards. As for the train, it fares better, but will require major repairs. Analysis of the footage reveals exactly what went wrong. The driver of the semi is stopped at a red light when warning bells start to ring. Right as the crossing gates lower, the traffic light changes to green, and the semi rolls forward. But before it can cross the street, the light switches back to red. A collision is inevitable. Just moments after the horrific impact, the lucky driver and her dog emerge unscathed. The 80 passengers aboard the train also escape injury. The complete destruction of this semi-trailer is a vivid reminder that the result can be catastrophic.